Having trouble with your mobile network on Mobile Legends Bang Bang for your iPhone? No need to worry. In this video, I will demonstrate both simple and advanced solutions to fix mobile data not working for Mobile Legends on iPhone. So, let's dive in. Solution 1. Check the internet connection. Make sure that your internet is working fine. Open up a browser and go to any website you wish. If it's not loading, then turn on the airplane mode for 10 seconds. Then turn it back off. Solution 2. Fix your iPhone mobile data service. Open Settings, tap Mobile Service, tap Mobile Data Options, tap Voice and Data, select 5G Auto, or if your phone only does support 4G, then select 4G Auto. Go back, tap Data Mode, select Standard, go back twice. Tap Network Select, turn on the automatic. Go back again and tap Mobile Data Network, scroll down and reset settings. After doing this, hope your problem will be solved. If it doesn't, reset all settings, open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset, reset all settings, tap Reset all settings again. Hope one of these processes will fix mobile data not working on your Mobile Legends iPhone. If not, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.